Question number 2, given that the sphere and the cone are equivalent, that means they both have the same volume because they're solids, both have a radius of 5 centimeters, find the height of the cone. They both have the same volume. The volume of a sphere is 4 pi r cubed divided by 3, and the radius, we're told, is 5. We have 4 times pi times 5 to the power of 3 divided by 3, and we can figure that out on the calculator. 4 times pi times 5 to the power of 3, which is 125, divided by 3 is 523.59877755, and it goes on forever. Okay, I'm going to keep that number in my calculator. I'm just rounding it to like the 4th decimal place. Keep the number in your calculator. Then the volume of a cone. The volume of a cone is the area of the base times the height divided by 3. It's a circular base, so it's pi r squared times height divided by 3. And the radius is 5, so we're going to get, so the volume is 523.5988, which we figured out over here, is equal to pi times 5 squared times the height, our unknown height, divided by 3. I can figure out pi times 5 squared and divide that by 3. That's just going to give me a number that's multiplying the h. I keep that number in my calculator, and we have pi times 5 squared, which is 25, and then divide that by 3. Divided by 3 gives us 26.1799. Replace the pi times 5 squared divided by 3 with 26.17994 times the height. To get the height all alone, I'm going to divide both sides by 26.17944. That number divided by, paste that, equals 20. The height is 20. Another way of doing it is just setting up these two equations, right? So I'm saying that this volume is equal to this volume. So we have 4 times pi times r cubed divided by 3 is equal to pi times r squared times height divided by 3. We're dividing both sides by 3. If I multiply both sides by 3, those 3's will disappear. I could just cancel those two 3's. The same with the pi. I could just cancel the pi on both sides, and the r, I have an r squared, here I have an r cubed. So if I divide this side by r squared and divide the other side by r squared, I'm going to cancel out all the r's except for 1 on this side. I can say this r squared cancels with, I'm just left with r. All right, and then I could divide pi from both sides, so I can cancel the pi's. I'm left with 4 times r is equal to my height, and the radius, the r, is 5. 4 times 5 is the height, which is 20, which we have right here. And that's it for question number 2. Have a good day.